Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a table of contents in WPS Office. So for example, we have here this text, we have here header 1, header 2, another header 2, and the last is header 3. Of course, we need to set it as header 1, 2 and 3, so if you want to do it, you need to select first header, and then you need to click on the icon with the arrow, and I set it as heading 1. Now I select another header, I click on icon with an arrow and I select here heading 2. Then I select this header, I click on the arrow and I select here heading 2, and the last header is header 3, so we need to select it. Then I click on this one icon and I select here heading 3. Okay, so in this way we have added the headers to our text. So now if we want to insert the table of contents, we need to click somewhere outside the text. I recommend you to click on the end of the text, and then we need to go to references, we need to click on table of contents, and we need to use the third template with level 1, level 2 and level 3. Here you can check the preview of our table of contents. So if you would like to insert it, you need to click on this one option, and after that it will be successfully inserted to our document. So in this way you can add table of contents in WPS Office. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.